When I go down, they talk for my mind. Say they talk about mad men. I don't want to talk about mad women. When I know what a mad women say, no small. They no small. Mad women, then they represent too. Then smart like normal women too. I don't see two mad women where they fight because of one mad man before now. Serious fight will break each other head. No be like say the man too handsome. Now just say, now him they stay for the biggest dustbin where they the area so. Then begin fight for who go follow and stay for the dustbin. They see say even for madness, women they recognize success. And then they take success play.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
He's the craziest comedian I've seen in a while. All the way from Port Harcourt. Please join me as we make welcome. Aproko. Wanna clap for that? If funny, yo. Aproko, let's do the shit.
I don't respond to treatment, I think. I want to increase my mic past like this. I know like the way they hear myself. I'll be my stand for you. Okay. Yeah. Lagos. And I did now. Don't take smaller. How many years? And I know if it even count how many years. That's all of when I don't grow finish. No, it's sweet me say when they grow. You know, say this our generation one of our biggest achievement be that all of us we rush grow quick. Everybody just grow. Grow con jam adulthood will surprise everybody. Now, this adulthood surprise people well. Yes, now. You know, they get some adults way till now, they never believe in their original life, then they live. So. For their mind, one day, they go just wake up as 5 years speaking. Once he say, all the old suffer now, dream. Now your real life be this, you go live the life. Go live. I remember when people, they talk, I can't wait to be 30, I can't wait to be 30. Yeah. Nah, 30 be this now. Don't see the way 30 day. Like, you know, say you did 30, but something inside of you, they tell you, say, you and 30 no be mate. Yes, so. No, people, this adulthood is surprise people well. Anything we concern adulthood now, they try to avoid them well. What thing they when they find now people will go they tell me say they behave like small picking. Now all those things I want to hear, things will go make me they feel like small picking. Because anything will make them begin call you auntie or brother, you own don't finish for this country. You go suffer well. You go suffer. And if you there and you never reach 30, you never become adult yet. And you there and you never become adult. No go they rush, they mature. Take your time, grow small. Just 15 years, don't get beer full of your face. Grow small. This no be generation where then they rush, get beer full face. Anyhow, they grow small. No, I did notice say, once you cross 30, it be like say, your head go just open, make problem begin to enter. Every day, new problem go just they enter. Then go enter the space no go come day your head again. They'll constantly enter until Small space self no go come there at all. Even your brain self now, so then go push your brain, go one corner. Your brain no go see where to stand. Your brain go just bend, stand like Sophia where the Sophia land. Adults, then they go through a lot. Adults, they go through so much. But children, then they go through all those things. Children, and then they enjoy pass. No, them now they play. Now then they play. Now why you no go ever see small picking where they mad? I never see. Anywhere I go, now only adults, now they mad. You can never see small picking where they craze. Anywhere. Every time now adult. Even if they do juju for you, say make you mad. The juju know they come when you be small picking, they wait. They wait when you don't become adults. Now the juju, they come, make you come mad. Now in all those cases where you go, they hear people, they say, now for their graduation day, as they just say congratulations, we then throw away cap. Now so you begin throw away clothes, throw away everything. Now so Philip take mad. Now so go they you know they come when you be small picking. They wait. And not just know. And if we normal people, if we look mad people well, you go see say you get a lot of things we suppose they learn from them. But we know they observe mad people. Now why we never learn all those things? You know, say mad people, they know they discriminate on each other. They know they look down on each other. I big pass you know they for madness. So everybody they look each other equal. Now so madness they. Everybody they look each other the same. Now why you go see madman we done they mad for 10 years? With man we just start to mad last month. 2 of them they chop for the same dustbin. You know go ever hear one they talk say you will just start to the mad last month, go chop for another dustbin, come on mad dustbin. You will never hear that. Then get good relationship with each other. Very good relationship. You know, say I don't see 2 madmen where they trek together before. 2 of them. For this Lagos here, for like 3 weeks, I don't they observe them. Sometimes they go trek face Aja. Sometimes they go trek face VI. So I can't they very curious. So I can't they ask people, I say, waiting happen with these 2 mad people, they trek together every time. So now people can't they explain the thing to me. They say, actually the 2 of them are friends. Say, but one of them, no, they stay for Lagos. Say, that one they stay for Benin. So now one day, where the one where they stay for Benin come visit the one where they Lagos. So I see one go back, that one say, this one will come visit me from Benin. So as you want go back, make I escort you. Now take escort him from Lagos, go reach Benin. So when he won't go back, that one self can say, this one way escort me all the way from Lagos, come Benin. So all the adventure where we see for road, all the rotten banana where we chop for, make myself I escort you go back Lagos. So now him take escort and come Lagos. So when himself he won't go back, and the other one say, my guy, this your gesture where you show me so where you escort me all the way from Benin come Lagos. Which kind of friend I could be if I no escort you go back? So for 3 years now, then don't they escort each other now. All their leg don't swell, finish, they never stop, then see they escort each other, they go, they come, like that. They see the bond between mad people. We normal people, you just escort your friend, reach gate, yeah, don't they tell and say, put something for fire. You think say those madmen don't get something for fire before then they escort each other then? Cannot even learn from these people. I know say, when I go down, they talk for their mind, say they talk about mad men, I don't want to talk about mad women. When I know what a mad women say, no small. They're no small. Mad women, then they represent, they're smart like normal women too. I don't see 2 mad women where they fight because of one mad man before now. Serious fight will break each other head. No be like say the man too handsome. Now just say, now him they stay for the biggest dustbin where they the area. So then begin fight for who go follow and stay for the dustbin. They see say even for madness, women they recognize success. And then they take success play. No, and I need to see the way that madman, they're very proud of him dustbin. The man, sometimes when they gather other madmen, they share in success story with them. Yes, so they hear them sometimes. They talk, they tell them, say, when you even start to stay for that dustbin, say the dustbin will never big rich like that time. Say, now just small pure water paper, people they can't throw away for the place that time. Say, now consistency, I think continue to they stay for the place. People come, they look and say, I be like, say, this madman, they stay, so they come, they throw away bigger things for the place. No. He say, I ain't take no, say, God don't even bless him. Now, when one woman come throw away 2 big cartons of Chivita, say, don't expire. He say, Chivita, when still they drink till today night, and they talk, say, the thing don't expire. Because I've said they write best before for the body. On a good night, man, stop here, not too much.
MC Casino, Funny by Nature, live in Lagos.